My name is David Kimani Mukuha, one of the founders of Naivas. Today we are celebrating the 100th branch. It has been a journey that has seen us all this way. It has not been a smooth way, but one thing that I can say is that as Kenyans, we are used to fight to the end. And Naivas has promised that, and we have overcome a lot of obstacles that we had and have reached to the bridge of 100. And our target now is to go more, to get more branches, and especially in the next coming 10 years. I think in Kenya we might be hitting 200, and at the same time we are looking forward to see whether we can be able to get out of East Africa. Yes. Well, let me say this, that Naivas is well known of saving our money. And that is true compared to any other competitor. Today I can say this. In this Christmas we have a lot of offers. From today, as we are marking 100 branches, there are a lot more offers that we are giving to our customers. Actually, what we are doing is actually to share our profits with them. We are actually reducing the pricing so that we can be affordable to even those people who are being pressed by the high living standards. If you look at all that we are doing is to make sure that everything that we are selling is affordable to our customer. The last comment I would want to say this, and especially to the press people. We need to support our companies, because in most cases when we have issues, you people as media, the first thing that you do is to put the headlines. Instead of supporting the companies that are making this country grow, please be supportive to the companies that are there so that we can move together. There's no need of making sure that there's a small problem that is being seen and we put it on the headline. That does not build the companies in this country.